My name is Ed Turpin, and I'm the branch manager for the Las Vegas office of Cushman Wakefield Commerce. During the first quarter, we had some great transactions in our office. Three very good ones. Danielle Steffen and Mike Dunn represented the law firm of Gordon Silver in the lease of 55,000 square feet of office, a Class A office in the Hughes Center. Liz Clare and Jackie Young represented the seller, Regal Plaza, 140,000 square foot retail center in Henderson. And the third one is Mike Dunn and Dan Palmieri represented Take Two Interactive in the lease of 24,800 square feet in downtown Las Vegas. Downtown certainly has gotten a lot of attention with Zappos and Zappos owner Tony Hsieh really investing heavily in that marketplace, buying a tremendous number of buildings, hotels, really investing in that market. It's been great. But overall, of the three markets we track, office, retail, and industrial, retail has really been the one that's been the strongest. There's been a lot of activity, mostly in local and regional players, not a lot with the national chains. But their vacancy for the first quarter is just about 8%, which is just a little bit above, about a point above the 10-year average for that market. So it's pretty healthy right now. The next healthiest market I would say would be industrial. Industrial is about 17% vacant, which is a little high, but they've had a lot of activity in the bigger box users. A lot of that's been activity has been generated from California. As the taxation has increased in California, it's flushed a lot of those investors and users into our marketplace. As an example, a company called WorldPack USA just leased a 303,000 square foot building. A building that's been on the market for 2 years vacant from Prologis, and it's the largest transaction we've seen in 6 years in the industrial side. There's a lot more activity in that size range, in the 100, 200,000 square foot, and we really don't have the capacity for it, that size of building. So it's generating a lot of activity from developers and a lot of interest in land right now, which is really good. And then the last segment is the office segment. Office segment has been lagging. There's been some good transactions. There's also been some challenges. The most significant in the first quarter that impacted our market was the Nevada Cancer Institute shuttered their doors in January. 143,000 foot Class A facility that closed their doors. So that really makes an impact on our market. And there are some good values out there. We're starting to see the residential market pick back up again. But there's still a lot of cautious optimism in regards to investments, and certain groups are coming in and looking at marketplaces, but I think a lot of others are still waiting on the sidelines to see what's going to happen.